Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig. Today we're going to be talking about combining operations. In this scenario, we have a transmission cover with 11 different pockets. I'm going to go ahead and generate my operation plan and then generate my toolpath. Now, as I hover over these, we can see that everything has a toolpath now, but I want to make some changes to how I'm cutting these pockets out. Or maybe I want to use the same tool to rough and finish all of the pockets. Looking on the left-hand side, we can see that several different tools are used because that's how I have set up my strategies. I can accomplish combining operations in two different ways. The first way is by simply right-clicking on my mill part setup and going to Combine Operations. This allows me to check exactly what type of operations I want to combine, but there is a caveat. It's going to combine like operations using the same tool diameters. We've already established that I have several different tools being used, so I'm going to use a different method to combine operations. First, I'm going to sort my operations so that I have all my rough mills and contour mills together. I hit apply and we can see over on the left-hand side, it's very easy to now highlight all of the rough mills. Once I have them highlighted like this, I just need to right-click and I can combine operations. Doing it this way allows me to select one of the operations for all of the parameters to be copied from. So I'm going to go ahead and leave rough mill 1. We'll hit OK, and then we're going to do the same thing for our contours mills. Leaving it on contour mill 1. I am now complete combining all my operations. So let's go ahead and make some changes. I'm going to go ahead and change this to something that will stand out. We'll use our spiral out, and then I hit OK, and we could see that all of the toolpaths changed to a spiral cut. Maybe I want to use a larger end mill. I can very simply come over here and I can take rough mill 1 and drag it to a larger cutter and everything will update accordingly. Going back to my contour mill, maybe I'm going to do something crazy and do a full cut. I'm going to make these changes here to input a value, and I'm going to make it 25 millimeters in this case, and hit OK, and now I'm doing a full depth cut. So by combining operations, I am able to take all 11 pockets and update them accordingly, each operation, rough mill and contour mill. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.